And keeping with the environmental theme, here's what one enterprising business is doing to become more environmentally friendly, and they're cutting down on air conditioning costs.
It's the latest technology in green sustainability, and Dubbo RSL is the first business in town to jump on board.
Dubbo RSL Memorial Club has always been at the forefront with sustainability and environmental footprints. So we're always looking at ways to improve, and some government funding came up for a SkyCool project.
This week, the Sydney-based company began the process of laying down SkyCool. Designed to combat overheating, the special reflective paint prevents excess heat from entering a building. It acts like a passive heat pump, removing the heat from hot metal roofs during the day and night. And given that the mercury sits in the 40s over summer in Dubbo, more and more local businesses are looking to reduce their utility expenses.
What we're hoping for is a reduction. Obviously our electricity, gas and water are huge, as it is with any business, and everybody's feeling the pinch with it. So we're hoping that will reduce the cost of our electricity.
The investment isn't cheap, with an initial outlay of $120,000, but the RSL says it's worth it. They're expecting to see a reduction on their electricity bills by 30% within the next year. Emily Brotherton, WIN News.